Good Monday morning, family. This is Nettie, Simply Me Journey. Well, family, I have a unboxing to do. I know what it is, but I want to show y'all what I purchased. And I want to show you what I purchased, but not only that, the reason. I don't represent any of these companies. Let me see. I don't represent any of these companies, not one, but I think this is a really great idea. And that's why I bought it. Today is Monday. Happy Monday! Well, and y'all, let me show you something that's I think that's convenient. These little eyeglass pouches, they're very soft, and they have a microfiber, which feels good. And also, I can wipe my lens off. I usually wipe the lens off from the inside of it. I don't represent this company. I don't know the name of the company. But I usually do that. But the reason why I buy them, because the cases are so hard and big. You know, eyeglass cases. This is my eyeglass case for my glasses. And it's so big, it takes up a lot of space in your purse. Take a lot of space in my purse. So that's why I bought 3 pouches for probably about $6 or something like that on Amazon a while back ago. And it fits better in my little, I have a little small tiny crossbody. I can put these glasses in and my sheds in my purse. And this is my unboxing. And I had a reason why I decided to buy this, y'all. I'm getting ready. I'm probably gonna go ahead and go to Ellie today because I wanted to go to Lafayette. I need to go to Lafayette to the Skechers store and change out a pair of shoes that I bought that's just they're not working well. And okay, since the weather's changing, we're getting cold weather here. I bought some big set arm. Y'all, this thing is like $7 and it's tiny. Jeez. 1.76. I thought it was bigger than that. And I also got some because I'm doing what they call the castor oil treatments on different areas of my body. I got myself some flannel fabric, and this is the fabric that's really good to use if you're doing the kind of like the body patches. They use castor oil to draw out, which I don't represent. I'm not trying to tell you what to do, how to use castor or anything like that. I have to make that clear. But this is one. This is a this is something help. This here is something that that is a good fabric for castor. If you're using castor patches and stuff like that. And I went on got that was like $6 and something. Okay, family. So I bought this thing here, and I already got this thing like a gift. I didn't do a gift. I bought these things here for emergency, and I think I paid $80 for 2 Cobra Walkie Talkie RX 680. I don't represent Cobra. I don't represent Amazon. This is just something that I decided to buy because with a lot going on today, what happens if your phone services go out? Who are you going to communicate with? Who can you communicate with? So I bought 2, in which I'm planning on getting 2 more. And the reason why I'm getting them is just in case there are a big outage situation take place, I will have these. Give one to family members back here. Some kind of big thing. We have communication. This thing goes up to 38 miles. Up to 38 miles. Up to 2 watts. Powerful and long distance. And like I said, I think I paid $80 for them. You have an LED flashlight on it. The flashlight is somewhere, but it has an LED flashlight. Yeah. And you have a charging port, charging station for 2. You have a USB card. Okay, it has 60 channels, and I already have one. I want they think they call them SOS SOS emergency radio, broadcasting radio. I have one of those already. I've been having that one for years. I'm gonna have to make sure I get it out of my storage and have it in here on hand. It goes up to 38 miles outside. I guess I don't know. It's just showing some outside. Then up to 16 miles in the hilly area, then 3 miles in the city. 2-way radio. Okay, so it's a maximum range may vary and is based on line of sight operation without obstructions and under ideal conditions. So what's included: 2 radios, 2 belt clips, 1 micro USB dock charger with charging both of them, and 2 2000 mAh light polymer rechargeable batteries. 1 user guide is what's in this package. And this is for emergency calls, emergency broadcast. So if something happens where we don't have communication with our cell phones and stuff like that, I think this would be a good option to take the place of being able to have communication with your family that's nearby. So that's why I got it. And I will be charging these babies up. Some of y'all may think, well, why not? Why get some? It's not a waste of money. It's rugged anti-slip design, built for outdoors adventure, and it's supposed to be, it is waterproof and dustproof. It's an NOAA emergency weather radio. Okay. 60 channels, 121 privacy codes, anti-slip, rugged design, hand-free operation, voice activated. So I don't have to be pushing the buttons. But anyway, I don't represent Cobra. I don't represent Amazon. But I did get through Amazon. I paid about $80, $85, something like that. You never know when you're going to have an emergency. Like I say, with the phone situation like they are, I'm constantly having problems with my phone every single day. AT&T has gotten to be horrible. Phone services with AT&T is just horrible. Okay? So this is what I have. I may do a demonstration once I turn it on. Everything, I'm just not going to mess with it right now. I just wanted to show y'all my unboxing today. And like I said, I got these here flannel fabric. It's flannels. And this is good to use for castor. And you want to try to draw out some kind of infection or something out of your body. And I'm not a professional at this. It's something that I'm just started using. And so far, for me, I give it a thumbs up. Make sure you get the castor with the what is it? Organic. I don't know. And glass bottle dark. The brand I bought 2 different brands, but the one I really like better is Heritage. I don't represent Heritage, but that's the brand that I like better, that I know works better. This little bitty bottle of Vic Rub. My sister told me to get one of these too. This thing is so little. I'm about to cuss. It's almost $7. Really? Are they serious? I'll see if I can get something bigger than that in Walmart. Gee whiz. Everything is just overtail priced. But anyway, I just want to come on to show you all my unboxing today. And the reason why I decided to get those walkie-talkies. Never know when you're going to need them. Never know when you're going to need to communicate with family. There's some kind of big, great emergency thing going on. Say, I'm going to go ahead and go to LA right now. I would wait till tomorrow to go to LA, but I want to go to Sam's and pick up. I'm running out of tissue paper, running out of my paper towels. Tissue paper towels. I need to get some salad stuff and some veggies and fruits. I need to go buy, what is the place called? Not Tractor Supply, Harbor Freight, and I want to go look at a battery charger thing to for my car. When I was in New Orleans after my cruise, I come back to the hotel, my battery was dead. I know why it was dead. First time I had, but I made some changes to the car so that resulted in me having a dead battery, from what I believe. I haven't called the guy with the Greek service that installed something for me on my car, and I need to call him and talk to him to see if it's okay, if this is a normal thing that a battery goes dead after a week not turning the car on. And just in case, I'm going to order myself, I think it's a Golu, 4,000 something, but it would charge charge a 18-wheel truck battery. So I'm gonna get that one, and that will be placed in my car. I already have a little automatic air pump for my tire, so I'm going to get. There's a fly in here. I thought I seen it, but you know something? We're gonna make his appearance. We're gonna make him disappear. So I can't stand no fly. You ain't gonna be flying around here touching my food and stuff. And heck no. Where's my spray at? There's stuff in here, y'all. I'm gonna give my house a good cleaner this week. Good cleaning up job. I cleaned it up really good before I left for my trip. And yeah. So I'm trying to find my spray. I see that fly. Do I still see him down there? No, that's not the fly. Where we go? Oh, he's playing. He's playing. He wants to play with me. Yeah, I got my little nephew some, I got Max and Jace. Max and Jace, they 2 peas in a pot. They 10 years old. And Max has just turned 11. On the 26th, yeah, a couple of days ago. And so I got Max and Jace's little t-shirt when I was in Cayman. This is Jace's shirt. Max have one with a starfish. No. What is that other thing? Not a starfish. What is that thing? Can't think of the name of that other thing. Stingray? Yeah. And I got the nose shirts each. And I got these little shirts. And this is from Jamaica. So I got both of them the same, different designs, but the same colors. So I'm waiting for Jace to come pick his shirt up. I just seen Jace yesterday. So, you know, I get one, I get the other. They hang out a lot together. I don't want to make a difference in them, but they hang out a lot together. They always over here. Mostly Max, but Jace, he do come over here often. Oh yeah. Where's that fly at? Come on, fly, show your face. Oh, I see him. Oh, praise the Lord. Let's get him. Okay. Oh, yeah. I got to go outside and get him here in that screen. Bye, fly. Bye. Let me close this here. All right, I got that old nasty fly. Yes. So, yeah, family. Just wanted to show you all my unboxing. And, yeah, I'm liking this. And like I said, I think I'm going to get 2 more Cobras next month. You know, 2 more. I'm going to get 2 more next month. They're heavy. They're heavy. You know, nice, powerful, long distance. And I'm going to get my tissue paper, my paper towels, some food that canned food or whatever to be on the shelf. I'm just trying to prepare. I don't know what's going to happen with this election coming up. After the election, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just going to have myself some extra food around, just in case. I'm going to get about 3 cases of water. I have my own water pump system and stuff, and I really was intent to, matter of fact, just thought about something, because I had to call my sister-in-law, because they have a big old tall water pump, a filtering system on their water pump, and the guy said I don't need one that big for my size of house. So I think mine's going to be probably almost half the size. And I was just thinking, because I have a 5x3 storage building that I haven't put down for my water tank, and 3x5. That should be big enough to put that tank, both of them in there together. I'm sure it should be. So I was just thinking, had a little flashback on that. But I'm not going to keep y'all long. I want to go and run to Ellie, because I want to go to Lafayette. Because I can go to Lafayette and go to the Skechers store, and then I can go to the Sam's down there and get stuff there, and then just head on back home. I might just do that, because I want to go back to Ellie tomorrow to go get that seven grain bread that lady makes, the homemade bread. I like the 7 grain better than I like the cheese and jalapeno, because there was not much cheese and jalapeno inside of that bread. So I actually threw some of it away this morning and put it in the trash. I did put some in the freezer, and I'll just leave that there, so when I wants to cut off that, I will. But but yeah, I'm going to get on the road. I think I'm going to go ahead and go to Lafayette. I think I'm going to go to Lafayette and go take those tennis shoes back. Skechers have these tennis shoes where that you can just slide your feet in them, and I actually bought them. And pricey, but with that little thing in the back of it's kind of hard, and it started rubbing my heel. I said, if it rub my heel, I'm just not going to keep it, because it's a waste of money. That's too much money to waste. So I'm going to go and see if I can find like the little original Skechers that I used to buy a long time ago in the color, in a brown. I want a brown. And that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to go to Lafayette. I'm not going to go to Alexandria. I may go to Ellie tomorrow, but I'm going to go to Lafayette, which I usually like to get to Lafayette by the time the store open. So I come in and out, less traffic. But I'm just going to go to the Skechers store. I don't want to go shopping for anything. I don't need anything. I don't need any clothes. Yes, I do. I'm going to get me 2 warm-ups. And I'm going to get me 2 pair of jeans for the winter. And that'll be plenty. That's all I'm going to buy for winter. I got plenty of shoes, boots. For the winter, I got long sleeve shirts that I bought last year for the winter, so I don't need those. I have a little coat. I don't need a coat. You know, being out here, I do want a pair of boots, though. I want a pair of Western boots. Cowboy boots, or what they call cowgirl boots. I do want a pair of boots. Now, where I'm going to buy them at, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to get up out of here. I'm going to go ahead and go to Lafayette, get this thing out of the way. Get it out of the way, and that's it. I'm going to do that. And that way I'll just get that out the way. Because I got to go to Lafayette regardless. Because there's no Skechers in Alexandria. There's no Skechers store in Alexandria. I've never seen one, but I'm going to Google it before I go to make sure. But yeah, I had to take those shoes back. Those shoes is not going to, they're not going to benefit me to have them and I can't use them. That's too much money. So where's my okay? All right, family. This is Native Simply Me Journey. Just wanted to come on here with an unboxing and tell y'all why I bought those walkie-talkies. You know, little chit chat. That's about it. I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Okay, family. This is Native Simply Me Journey. Hit the like, subscribe, and share, and give me a thumbs up. And we'll chat later. Y'all be blessed. Bye bye.